Each one of these organisms, with his microscope, it showed the energy field around it. It was a blue orgone field. He didn't call it that. A lot of people who research this call it by different names, and confusing. And Reich was the first one, so I think he can be excused. But it's prana, chi, life force, and animal magnetism. These are all the same thing. It's the ether. Tesla called it ether. It's pre-existent. It's before matter energy. It's the foundation of everything else. So when you work with that, you're getting to the root. You can make some things happen. There's no end to what you can do, and this is what's been done. Because orgone is the radionics, magic, everything works through orgone. And so does radio, by the way. And Tesla knew that. It's not about anything but orgone, ether.
All right, these three right here are sucker punches. That's a term coined by Croft. Him and his wife revolutionized orgonite by adding gemstones and minerals and crystals, and they were the pioneers of the early gifting movement, along with some others. The sucker punch will help you with electronic surveillance and psychic protection. And when they're in orgonite, they're offering a component, the radionics component, that makes the orgonite next level. And next level meaning, if you've ever slept with one of these under your bed when they're in orgonite and the battery's on, you know they're next level, because the sleep and dreams is just mind-blowing. And the whole concept behind them is you have a Mobius coil wrap here where you have wires going in opposing directions. That creates what's called a vacuum scalar field. In a vacuum scalar field, you can imprint your thoughts, emotions, and you can amplify them through that vacuum scalar field. So they're essentially manifestation tools, okay? So you can amplify, broadcast your intentions out to the multiverse, and that's always important, especially since everything is energy and intent, okay? In this multidimensional frequency universe, it's important that we send out we amplify our own intentions of what we want to see in the world, because it's constantly being broadcast back to us what sort of society they want us to have. So these tools are one way we can amplify our own intentions out, especially when they're in orgonite. They are stimulating, see 15 cycles a second there, this one's 15 hertz. They're stimulating the orgone matrix. So rather than just doing a normal induction coil wrap around the crystal like I always do, now we have the induction coil wrap and the Mobius wrap. Then we turn on the battery, and then we add tensor ring